Deformation means the change in shape and or size of the body. And the force which deforms an object is called deforming force. Elastic deformation is the case of deformation where the body regains its original shape as soon as the deforming force is removed. But what really happens? In a state of deformation, there is a restoring force generated inside the body resisting the deformation. Yes, a restoring force. When the body is in equilibrium, this restoring force is equal in magnitude to the deforming force and acts in opposite direction. And as soon as we remove the deforming force, this restoring force comes into play and restores the body to its original shape.